Ka Sorkar jylla balalam khmat da arngut ki symbud myntri rangbah, mynta ka sngi ka henyo tarik Nohprah hajar phulai, kila biang ka jingialang bat ki nongialam ka Harijan Panchayat Committee, iatai halor ka phang, ban pynkynriah no yaki na Taiew Mawlong. Haba kren kilat pathai khubor hadien ka jingialang, usymbud myntri rangbah ka jylla Bah Prestone tynsong, ulaong ba ka jingialang kalong ka basayso, bat ulaong ru banakaliang ka HPC, kalapan Shuh na ka Sorkar jylla, saha Taiew ba Jong Bnai Kyllalyngkot hajar pusaw, ban syong ya ka jingialang, bat ban syem sendan ya ka rai bakadu, ban pynkynriah ki siya ka jaka, ka Sorkar kalapan na ka benta jongki. Shuh Bah Prestone, ulaong banakaliang ka Sorkar, kan sa aya ka jaka sa kumbashi ke tam bantay ki jaka sa
Bah Prestone rangbah Jong ka Delhi kutwara kiwan arngut representative agan namar bakini ide ki balong pakajing kidon ka concern kumno bat boy sya ka jing sutu jumut abdeng jongi ka government bat ki kila don kat ban elektren bun ki issue bat ka bang ka ban ni ngin nempat la ban pathai ki issue ki bingai discuss namar ba mynta na kaliang jokiru ki patbor sa katu kan ni Taiew bakin dage discuss biang rengkat bat ki paranong song sudong jokiang te ngiyo i ba ka jinge kren kalong ka basotena ka basaiso bat ngilayarai langru da ka ju kasur ba hapo Jong ka Taiew ka baan une Bnai Januari Bnai benungkong hajar pusau ngin ye kendu biang sai si sempat ban na kremen sken ba hakata ka jing kendu ngin poi sendon syaka bakut Jong ka meeting ane ka jing kendu kata ka dei ka pangeran mentakabit.
This is our second meeting. There were few points which we raised in the previous meeting. Some of those points they have considered, and there are certain things which are yet to be finalized, to be decided from either side. So now the HPC people, they will discuss the issues what we have discussed today in the meeting with their people, and then we'll again discuss those issues in the next meeting that is scheduled to be held in the second week of January. I can't tell you, but yes, the meeting was on a good note. Hopefully they'll discuss, and if they are agreed, then those points will be discussed in the next meeting, and hopefully some solution will be reached. No point which we can tell you that what are to be discussed. That those are the internal points which I think they will discuss with their people, and then definitely will inform and disclose to the media. But first, let them discuss with their people. HPC will discuss, and then will tell to.
Season's greetings to all our patients. In order to celebrate the Christmas spirit, Mia Eye Clinic will be having a pre-Christmas sale on all frames with flat 40% off on 16 December 2023. Also, a free eye checkup from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. will be conducted on the same day. Join us to help you see the world better. For information and registration, call 825-700-3176.